Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today, we're tackling a simple but powerful question. Can $10 a week in Bitcoin really help you build wealth? Spoiler, the answer is a resounding yes, and I'm going to show you why. Let's dive into it. Bitcoin, the world's best savings account. Think of Bitcoin not as a vehicle to achieve more money, but as the world's best savings account. Unlike the dollar, which loses purchasing power over time, Bitcoin's value has consistently increased. Bitcoin is the ultimate store of value. It's scarce, secure, and deflationary. A great way to understand this is to look at what a Bitcoin can buy today. Right now, 4 Bitcoin can buy you a house. A few years ago, it would have taken hundreds or even thousands of Bitcoin to make the same purchase. That's because Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a deflationary asset. As its network grows and adoption increases, each Bitcoin becomes more valuable. What happens to the dollar over time? Let's contrast this with the dollar. Decades ago, you could go buy a Big Mac for $1.50. Today, that same dollar won't even get you a pack of gum. Why is this? It's because dollars are inflationary. They're printed endlessly, diluting their value and their purchasing power. If you had saved that $1.50 in cash under your mattress, its value would have eroded to almost nothing. But if you put money into Bitcoin, its purchasing power grows exponentially over time. Why Bitcoin's deflationary nature matters. Bitcoin flips the script. Its fixed supply of 21 million coins means it's deflationary. Here's what that means for you. As Bitcoin adoption grows, your purchasing power increases. Instead of your money losing value, it gains value over time. This is why even $10 a week in Bitcoin isn't just a small investment, it's a step towards preserving and growing your wealth. The power of consistency. Here's how $10 a week can make a big difference. By dollar cost averaging, you're investing regularly no matter what the price is. You're taking advantage of dips and building a disciplined habit. Over time, this consistent investment compounds into meaningful wealth. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. And Bitcoin has been the best performing asset over the last decade for a reason. If you're ready to start saving in Bitcoin, I encourage you to take that first step today. And if you'd like even more guidance, consider joining my newly launched Patreon. For the price of a coffee per month, you'll gain access to a dedicated community of Bitcoin savers, the best advice on tools for buying Bitcoin and keeping it safe, and exclusive content to help you on your Bitcoin journey. Your support helps grow the channel and keeps me focused on creating content that helps you secure your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and let Bitcoin do the heavy lifting. Bitcoin is your ticket to a more secure financial future. By putting in just $10 a week, you're not just saving, you're positioning yourself for a world where Bitcoin's purchasing power continues to grow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.